scary place. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. But keep crying, baby, baby, please. Oh, yeah. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. And how my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, and every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake. I'll be watching you. Yeah, I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break. I'll be watching every single bit, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake. I'll be watching you. Oh, I'll be watching you. Oh, oh.
Let's learn Every Move You Make. It's choreographed by Miguel, Belloque, Vane, and Alison, Johnstone. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 7 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 8 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Every Move You Make. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, and you're going to shuffle back, stepping back left, right together, left, back. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover forward onto our left, and shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 step half pivots. So we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to pivot a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, pivot a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a chassé. So we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to chassé to the left, stepping left, side, right together, left side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on our right, you're doing your 2 half pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right foot behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. You're now going to cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left foot, and chassé to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our chassé. Weight is on your left. We're going to cross our right over our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we are going to cross our left over our right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and you're going to do 2 walks forward, step left, right. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our chassé. You're going to cross that left over our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, One time through it counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're rocking with your left. Rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Jazz box, quarter chasse. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, chasse. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right, rocking with the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 7. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. It's going to follow the instrumental portion of the music. So when we get to the front wall for wall 7, you're going to dance the first 8 counts, and that will be instrumental. When the music kicks in and he starts singing again, that is when you're going to restart the dance. So we would have just finished our 2 walks. Weight would be on our right foot. You're going to do the first 8 counts, which is your rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Right here, the music is going to kick back in and they are going to start singing, and you will restart the dance with your rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, and you will continue on the rest of the way until the end of the song. Now, the last wall is a 12 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance the first 16 counts and then add on the ending. So weight would be on your right. You're doing your rock forward, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward. Now you're going to do your step, half pivot, jazz box, quarter with a chasse. Now right here, the music's going to stop. It's going to be instrumental for a couple of counts at the end. You're going to cross your right over your left, and you're going to unwind a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and that will be your ending, and you will end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart. Weight is on your right. You're going to rock forward with your left. So it's rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, cross, quarter, backside, chasse. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, chasse. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, walk, rock forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, jazz box, quarter with a chasse. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, chasse. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, 2 walks, rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, jazz box, quarter chasse. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, chasse. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, 2 walks, rock, recover. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is wall 7. First 8 counts and then restart. Rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward, start over, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, step, half, jazz box, quarter chasse, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, chasse, cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half, pivot, walk, walk. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn every move you make. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.